Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Cabify password using the Cabify mobile application. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. If you ever want to change your password on your Cabify application, launch open the Cabify app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on the human icon located at the top left corner. On the next page, tap on My Account. Click on My Info on the next page and scroll down and tap on Edit Password. Enter your current password you are using for your Cabify account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your new password you would like to change to. Now, repeat the new password once again in the last field and finally tap on Save at the bottom, and you will then be able to change your password on your Cabify account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.